All right, Dogecoin has cooled off for a little bit, but this is an incredible area for Dogecoin to be. Whenever something cools off a lot after a major pump, basically it is setting up for another major pump. That major pump can happen any second now, and I'm expecting it to possibly happen tonight. Now in this video, I'm going to be telling you everything about Dogecoin, all the latest news and updates, and I'm going to be giving you some accurate price predictions because you guys know how accurate I am. So stay tuned for the whole video. I'm also giving away 250 Doge this Saturday. Make sure you guys watch the entire video because you cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up guys, my name is Miles. I'm an expert in technical analysis and I call out huge plays before they happen. I make videos every day about Dogecoin and I talk about altcoins and cryptocurrencies. So if you guys want to get these incredible videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss my time sensitive videos. Also, if you want to get my trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, I post trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, altcoins every single day in my Patreon. I can also help to guide and make your portfolio, offer a bunch of services, so you guys should check that out in the link in the description below. And join the Discord, we have over 2,700 members. The link will be in the Patreon as well. Additionally, I'm giving away 250 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, put anything in the comments below, and also follow my Instagram. And if you love Dogecoin, smash the like button. Hit that like button, click it for me. It helps to support the channel. And let me know, are we going to break out tonight? We've kind of cooled off. Last night I was expecting a major breakout, but are we going to be going up tonight? What are your thoughts? What do you guys predict is going to be happening tonight? Let's see if you are accurate. So as I said, Dogecoin cooled off a little bit. Sometimes there needs to be times for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies and stocks, whatever you're invested in, they need to cool down. Especially after going hundreds of percents in just very short periods of time, they need to cool off. They need to cool down and correct. That is called a correcting, something that's correcting, or also a retracement. We're in an uptrend, we're going up, we're gonna go to $1. But there has to be pit stops so that the momentum can build, so that people can buy in again and get this thing going. It takes time, nothing goes straight up, and it's really healthy to see when things are down like this. But guys, I need to show you some incredible data. And I have some later stuff in the video that you can't miss, but watch this. Look, Dogecoin is the number 4 cryptocurrency in the entire world. Number 4. Dogecoin was pretty much off this entire map of probably not even in the top 10,000 crypto, who knows, just a couple of months ago. In 7 days, we are up 92%. I don't even see anything near that, except Ethereum Classic is up 348%. That is crazy. Absolutely crazy. However, Dogecoin, look, we are the number 3 cryptocurrency, and we are number 4. We're almost at number 3. But let me tell you how much more we need to go up in order to do that. Look, there is currently $75 billion in Dogecoin. $75 billion. And above that, we have the Binance Smart Chain. So the Binance Smart Chain is $96 million, or 96 billion total market cap. That means a market cap is the outstanding shares or however much money is in it total. But we see Dogecoin not far behind at 75 billion. So the difference is approximately $20 billion. If Dogecoin goes up, maybe to 75 cents or so, maybe somewhere around there, we could probably surpass Binance Coin, but don't hold me to those exact numbers. Let me know what you guys think, how much more Dogecoin needs to go up in order to hit that market cap. But if we do, then we will possibly be battling Ethereum for the second spot in the time to come. Yes, Dogecoin might even become the number 1 crypto in the entire world. With Dogecoin, there are no rules. Dogecoin can pretty much outbeat Bitcoin and Ethereum in a matter of months, especially if people continue to buy and to hold Dogecoin as becoming one of the most successful or one of the most profitable investments in the shortest amount of time ever. So take note of that. However, we need to be looking at a chart and seeing what's going on. So earlier this afternoon, we saw Dogecoin drop, and I tell you guys on my Patreon and I tell you guys in the video, Whenever you see a huge flash crash with cryptos or something you're investing in like stocks, but we're going to be talking about cryptos. Whenever you see a super fast crash, something that drops really, really fast, I always like to buy that if I can. I like to look at the chart and see, the volume, see if it's going to crash down any further, and just to get a little bit of confirmation before I make that trade. So whenever you do see that flash crash, I would definitely recommend, buying a little bit of it, because you can certainly make some money. And if you would have bought that dip, look, you would have made approximately 13%, pretty much a matter of minutes. Like, it didn't take that much to get up to that level. So you would have made that amount of money in such a short amount of time. So that is the importance of buying the dip, ladies and gentlemen. That is my strategy. I don't like to buy the top unless there is a lot going on with the charts that I can see, especially with my Market Cypher software. It can let me know when things are going to continue to go up or to go down, because look, whenever I get a double green bottom, a double green dot right here, it lets me know the bottom. And look, as soon as that double green dot came, we went up 13%. So I can see that beforehand with my Market Cypher. That's how I'm able to call out a lot of really big plays before they happen. And guys, if you're looking for a platform to buy Dogecoin with, use Webull. Use my link below. You deposit $100 and they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,200, and you can immediately sell that and buy Dogecoin with it, or just send it to your Cash App or one of your brokerages. But getting into the charts for Dogecoin, let me show you guys something very interesting that is cooking. So I hope you guys can see this well. But what we see is we've seen the price come up to 69 cents, like I called out a long time ago would happen. And we topped out there. But we came down and we've been bouncing off this level of support. Now, support is where a price cannot go below. And we are seeing a strong level of support, approximately 58 cents. We could lower it and, 56 cents, 55 cents. Around there, but we're seeing a pretty comfortable level of support here. So anytime you see the price go to that level, that might be a good buying indication for you, because if we continue to bounce off of it back and forth, that lets you know that we are not going to be going past it most likely. We could break below it, but that does not look like it is in the cards for us. So currently right now, we are forming a psychological pattern. A pattern in trading that we call a bullish pennant. And let me show and read to you what a bullish pennant is. It's really cool to check. It says a bullish pennant, or a bullish flag is another term you may have already heard. But it says bullish pennants are continuation candlestick patterns that occur in strong uptrends. The pennant is formed from an upward flagpole, a consolidation period, and then the continuation of the uptrend after a breakout. Traders look for a break above the pennant to take advantage of the renewed bullish momentum. So we see the flagpole, which is a huge rise up, which Dogecoin has done, and then we see a level of support, and we come down and bounce a couple of times off a level of support. But basically what the price is doing is not breaking out past the flagpole. It's not breaking out below it. It's kind of consolidating, and consolidating means basically to trade sideways or not to go up or down, kind of just doing its thing. But let me go ahead and put that into the chart terms. So basically we can see on the left screen, which is a 24-minute chart. No, excuse me, a 4-hour chart. I don't know why I was saying that. But we see the 4-hour chart on Dogecoin, and we see that. Look, we see a massive flagpole. And then we also see the flag, right? We're forming a flag. But if we go to this side, we can see somewhat of a descending triangle, which is a part of a bullish pennant or a bullish flag. We see basically levels of resistance. We see the flagpole. We see levels of support. So basically what this means is, if you look, our price, the movement is being boxed into this area where we have support here, and the resistance is actually getting lower and lower and lower. So what that means is, theoretically, this happens very often, we will either in the next few moments, in the next couple of hours, maybe in the next day, but I'm thinking the next couple of hours, we eventually are going to break out of this pattern, because it is getting squeezed to a point, and this point is about to happen within the next couple of hours. So what could potentially happen is 2 things. One, usually in this type of situation and formation, we either break out to the upside or we break out to the downside. And the way this is moving, based on our fundamental analysis that we know Saturday Night Live is going to be Saturday, we have a lot of momentum that is being built up from Dogecoin based on this Saturday Night Live thing. And with that expectation, with all of this volatility coming, like I said was going to happen, we're most likely going to break up to the upside because we have a lot of really good news and catalysts for Dogecoin that's going to be happening in the next couple of days. So what is most likely going to happen is we are going to break out of this pattern, and then we are going to start to break out and break all-time highs. But what is really important to notice is that we must smash the 69 cent level of resistance, which is exactly right here. If we come up and test it and we get rejected, we could come back to this level and start trading again in a bullish pennant. But if we do break out of it, we could do some incredible movements. What I conjecture would happen by measuring the length of the flagpole, that would give us our approximate destination or price target. And that price target could be approximately $1. If we do break out past 69 cents and we see another massive breakout, $1 would not be out of the cards. We will break $1 if we get a massive breakout. I believe that will happen, and I think it is going to happen. So guys, that's what I think is going to be happening. If you guys want to get my private trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, I put out trade alerts every day. I keep you guys informed and successful with your trading. So if you guys like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have an awesome night.